Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Rounding a number to 2 decimal places in Java can be achieved using several methods. Below, I'll explain a few commonly used approaches with code examples for each. Method 1, using bigdecimal. The bigdecimal class is often the best way to handle decimal numbers in Java, especially for financial calculations, because it provides control over rounding behavior. Explanation. 1 bigdecimal, create a bigdecimal instance from the double value. 2 setscale, this method is used to set the number of decimal places. The second parameter specifies the rounding mode. Rounding mode half_up means it will round towards nearest neighbor unless both neighbors are equidistant, in which case round up. 3 double value, convert the bigdecimal back to a double. Method 2, using decimal format. You can use decimal format from the java.txt package to format the number as a string with a specific number of decimal places. Explanation. 1 decimal format, create a decimal format instance with a pattern that specifies 2 decimal places, 0.00. The hashtag symbol represents optional digits, and 0 represents mandatory digits. 2 format the number, which returns a string representation of the rounded value. Method 3, using math.round. You can also use simple arithmetic with math.round to round to 2 decimal places. This approach multiplies the number by 100, rounds it, and then divides by 100. Explanation. 1 math.round, multiply the original value by 100, to shift the decimal point, round it to the nearest whole number, and then divide by 100 to shift the decimal point back. Conclusion. Each method has its own use case. Use bigdecimal for exact precision, especially in financial applications. Use decimal format for formatting output to a string. Use math.round for a quick and simple rounding operation, although it may not be as precise as bigdecimal. Choose the method that best fits your requirements based on the context of your application.